Method to activate SIM card using Aadhaar. Follow the simple steps to activate a SIM card for new or CY or MNP activation using Aadhaar. To do an Aadhaar-based eKYC activation, a retailer must make sure that there is a RD-registered biometric device. Note that each biometric device has a separate registration process as per device manufacturer. Note that retailers need to do RD registration only if the device is not already registered for RD services. To register the RD services on a biometric device, retailers need to download the respective device manufacturer's mobile app from the Play Store. Process to activate a new or a CYN or a MNP SIM using eKYC. Connect the biometric device to the phone with the Smart Connect app. Go to SIM activation on the Smart Connect app. Set the connection type and select eKYC. Make sure that the biometric device is connected to the phone before selecting eKYC. Enter the mobile or SIM number or scan SIM QR code to capture details. Check to agree to terms and conditions. Pause declaration. Proceed with biometric. Verify your fingerprints. Read the declaration by customer and click on agree after the customer states the consent for eKYC. Now enter the Aadhaar number or virtual ID and proceed with biometric authentication. Then capture the live customer's live photo. Validate the details. Then complete the CAF with all the required details. Complete the POS biometric authentication. Check the declaration by customer followed by customer's biometric authentication. Now your CAF has been submitted successfully. New connection prepaid journey for outstation customers. For outstation customers, additional information other than Aadhaar is required, and retailers need to enter this information. Fill in the personal and local address details of the customer. Fill in the customer's local referee mobile number. The retailer must enter the local referee's OTP that the customer has to share. Complete the POS biometric authentication. Complete the declaration by customer followed by biometric authentication. Now your CAF has been submitted successfully. Remember that the SIM card activation process needs 2 times fingerprint verification of retailer and 2 times fingerprint verification of customer for any eKYC based activation.